Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Bitrue and want to move it over to Coinbase, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a full, step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP safely and efficiently in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase. If you haven't already, complete any necessary KYC verification on both platforms to ensure smooth sailing. Once that's done, log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section, where you'll find your XRP balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal option for XRP. This is usually under a Withdraw or Transfer Out tab. You'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. Don't worry, I'll explain how to get that. Open your Coinbase app or website, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the address provided. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Now, pay attention to the details. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. XRP transactions use the XRP ledger, so fees are typically low, but they can vary. Double-check the network. Make sure it's set to XRP's native network to avoid errors. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Verify that to finalize the withdrawal. While the transfer is processing, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, keep an eye on your Bitrue account for any updates. Once it's done, log back into Coinbase and check your XRP balance. It should show up shortly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.